Hello, I am Neeraj Kumar Singhal, CEO of Semco Infratech Private Limited. I wish you all very happy Diwali and let us all build together a sustainable and eco-friendly planet by making the innovative, user-friendly solutions for energy saving and energy storage. Again, wishing you all a very happy Diwali.
Wishing you all a joyful, prosperous and sustainable Diwali. Let's brighten the path to a greener tomorrow together. Happy Diwali to all of you from HR team. Thank you.